Hello? Is anybody out there? Is anybody out there? Is anybody out there? Hi friends, my name is Mr. Angel, and I want to tell you something super cool. I have this cool thing called the Bible Project that I want to teach you. Yeah, every Sunday at 11 o'clock. Every Sunday at 11 o'clock. And we're going to learn through the Bible Project how the Bible was written in Hebrew, and it speaks about God's love story from beginning to end. And we're going to learn about this amazing man called Jesus. Yeah, Jesus. So I want you to be there at 11 o'clock every Sunday. Yes, 11 o'clock. I have this real cool clip from the Bible Project itself. And I think you should sit there and watch it. And parents, if you're out there, I think you're going to learn something too. Bye! I'll see you soon. Bye!
I know the Bible is one of the most important and influential books of all time, but what is it exactly?
Yeah, some people talk about the Bible like it's a big rule book that fell out of heaven.
Other people use the Bible like a textbook written to answer all of our questions about God, or like a big collection of inspirational one-liners.
Here's the thing. The Bible isn't written as a rule book, or a theology dictionary, or even as a collection of inspirational writings.
Then what is the Bible?
Well, open up the Bible to page 1 and read the first few words.
In the beginning.
Now, turn to the last chapter of the Bible where you can read this.
And they reigned forever and ever. Okay, so the Bible is telling a story from beginning to end.
Yes, it's an epic narrative about how God has made his partners to take care of the amazing world he created. It's about how we ruined that partnership by rebelling against God, and now he is restoring us and our world through Jesus.
So an awesome story, but there's a lot going on. Inside the Bible are a bunch of different books with their own stories and characters.
Here's what's so amazing. Every book has been designed to be a part of and enrich the overall storyline.
And knowing how to read the Bible helps us not to get lost.
There are also important themes repeated throughout the entire biblical story. A big theme in the Bible are the covenants or promises that God makes with people.
And the hope for a human hero who will defeat evil.
Every theme comes alive in the story of Jesus.
There are also a lot of strange words in the Bible. Words I don't really know.
When we take the time to understand those strange words, we discover ideas that help us understand the overall story of the Bible.
Reading the Bible takes work.
It's not a book that just gives you all the answers right away. The Bible takes you on a journey.
I love journeys.
The Bible is a work of literary genius, and the more we read and study God's Word, the more it changes the way we live and how we think about everything. The Bible is a one-of-a-kind book that will challenge you and change you.
And takes you on an epic journey.